Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another bag, so let's see who this is from and who we do a review for. Alright, hang on. We got little boxes. Just turn it over. Hang on. Well, we got cross stitch and we got tools. So this comes from Fansells, and as you can see, we have the little boxes, so that means that I have some more of the little magnets. And what do we, whoop, well, come on. It stuck it in there. Oh my goodness. Get rid of the boxes and the other stuff. Well, one was wrapped, but they're fine. So we got spring. I'm not going to take them out of the plastic. We have spring. We have summer. And we have autumn. And these were, hang on, $1.73 each. So now we have all of the seasons. These are all the new ones that they came out with. Very pretty. And I think I already have spring maybe once or twice over. Yeah, I got two. I got a summer up here, so look for them in a giveaway. But we have autumn to add to our winter. So there's winter and there's a spring. So yeah, we have all 4 seasons now. So, but the other two we'll keep, and we'll put them in a giveaway at some point. Not saying that's this week, but there you go. And we'll put autumn up here out of the way. So let's see what cross stitches we have. Okay. This is a 50 by 60. Seeing lots of thread. Excuse me. Been kind of windy and dusty. Hang on. I'm trying to, there we go. It's like, where's the paper? And there is no picture. So I'll put a picture here. Alright. And that way you get the full picture. Nice big key. Or what do you call it? Paper pattern. Does have the product number, how big it is. It's a 50 by 60 and huge, ginormous paper pattern. It has 40 colors in it, and these were in, they're new. They were in where like the 18 count is. So these are all on the same par as the 18 count, but now they have it in an 11 count, and that's why it's, you have such a weird product number. Most of them say like 11 CT something something something, so you know that these are new. And it says down here that it is 190 by 233. So, and sometimes at some of these stores, now I don't know this one in particular, it'll say, do you want this in an 11 count or do you want it in an 18 count? So I'm glad they're coming out with different sizes of these. I don't know, you know, how well the definition's going to be, but it is huge. So we'll see. And it looks like it's got a little bit of confetti, but it does have the big areas in it. So yeah, very nice. And I'm glad they're making the paper patterns bigger. And also this paper pattern will match the canvas. Does have a small sheet of how to start, how to finish. Usually that's attached to that paper, but this one's just a separate page. It does come with a toolkit, this one in particular, and it looks like we got four needles this time, not 5. Needle threader and a thimble and a poof ball. Let's take a look at the colors. And it says right here the product number, and it does have that it's a 50 by 60. So let's look at the pages. Hang on. So you got a hank of, looks like 939, which is our dark blue. This is pretty. It looks like butterscotch. It's 3770. Very beautiful color. So that must be part of the background where you have these big areas. This is 152. And each one of these hanks has 40 strands of thread in it. So that's nice. Everything's kind of discombobulated. Hang on. It got all mooshed together. All right. Whoop. And of course you're on the back side. So you got lots of tans and taupes and just beautiful browns, golden colors in this. Plus there's some bright, vivid colors. Look at that purple. It's like 154, I believe. I always like that color. Yep, 154. And then you have some dark blues, some more taupes in several different shades, greens, dark blues. This is probably 823. There's no 939 though. I mean 310. This is your 939 right here where you have one strand. But very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. But, I thought there was 3865. Maybe I read that wrong. 3865 is number 40. No, it's not. Okay. Now I'm really beginning to second guess things. Is that what that says? 3865 is not. Wrong. Wrong. 823. Everything else seems to be. Yeah, everything else is fine. But that is not 3865. I don't know what color that is. But that is not 3865. It's not nearly as light as it looks. But now I'm a little upset. Number 1 is 150. Number 2, 151. 3. Everything is alright except for that white. That is not white. I will have to notify them of that. 3865. I keep reading it to make sure I'm reading it correctly. So, yeah. Okay. And there's not very much here, so I got nothing. But it's the wrong color. And I don't know where it's going to go. But that's the darkest 3865 I ever saw, and it's not. So, I know 3865 when I see it. It's a white with a blue tint. And it's supposed to go up in here. So, weird. The pattern is very well printed on here. I don't see any smears yet. So, very nice. And it looks like rivers of color, so that part's good. And it's not like I don't have any 3865. Because I do. I mean, I have separate 3865 on stuff that I'm never ever going to do. But that's beside the point. It should be right. So I will contact them about that. Let's see. I need my deal. This thing's quite wide. It's dang near square. So it is 60.5 that way. And 50, a little over 50 centimeters that way. Actual picture size is 43.5 or 17.25, maybe a little over, by 21 inches or 53.5. So yeah, no, I'm kind of upset about that. So I will contact him and let him know that that's not right. See this color right here, hang on, let me look at some. It's bugging me now. Number 25. I could look it up on a thing. They just might have put it in the wrong place. It says 3033. But that right there is closer to 3865, so they may have gotten them reversed. I will check it out on my DMC scale and see. Even 33 is closer. So I'll figure it out. They might have just transposed everything. But yeah, I'll figure it out before I contact them and see what happened and what went wrong. And yeah, put all that together. All right, let's see what's next. Oh yes, I remember. So you remember back when I had the big mail issue of getting things, and I don't remember where I got this pattern someplace else, but I figured it wasn't coming and it was all screwed up, or they sent it back or whatever. So I freaked out and I got Jas and Raj again. So this is going to go into a giveaway, and I've already unbagged this, but it is a 50 by 63. Now the other one was 1053 and this one was 1029. But it will go into a giveaway. But yeah. So I got this one. It is a beautiful pattern. I just love all the colors in it. And it's quite big. But it comes with a toolkit and all this stuff. So we may be having a giveaway soon, but like I said, not this week, but maybe for next week. We'll see. But that's all I got from Fansells, and I'm glad I got my little magnets. I'm running out of room on my bar. I have like this arm that comes across kind of like that, and then it has this other part that goes down, you know, and it's attached to the table. It's covered with magnets. Just absolutely covered. But I like seeing them all, so it's okay. I can do that. But it's getting kind of full. I'm going to figure out something else. Now, Fansells has diamond painting and cross stitch. They do have tools and crafts for both of those. They also have paint by number. And they have tools and crafts for those too. They have puzzles. They have paper quilling, which I've never tried. I don't know, it's just too fiddly for me. I don't know that I have a soft enough hand to put all them things together. And they also have music boxes, so all different kinds of stuff. And they have a separate Joy Sunday section, and if they have any, you know, deals going on or whatever, I will put that in the description box. If there's a discount code from me, I will also put that in there. But that is about it. So thank you, Fansells, for sending me these beautiful kits, and I'll get the other one figured out, and I will let you know how that all comes out. And, yeah. All right. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.